Alright friends, we are back today, and today we're going to show you how to make the world's most tastiest chicken piccata. Alright friends, so we're going to break the chicken over here first with flour. Okay, we're going to put it in the hot pan and fry the chicken. Beautiful chicken breast. We're going to cook it on both sides. Our chicken's almost cooked. Now it's time to add some mushrooms. Whoa, look at the fire. Alright, now we're gonna add some heavy cream to the chicken breast and the mushroom and let it cook for a little bit, maybe like a couple of minutes, and add lemon juice now. Just a little bit of lemon juice, that's what he's doing. Salt and pepper. Boom. Folks, if you like our video, please like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to share the video. Beautiful tasty sauce. Yum. Smash the like button, guys. Smash the like button. YouTube loves it when you smash the like button. Okay, our chicken's been prepared. Now we're gonna put the vegetables to be steamed and prepared. Now our pan's ready. So we're gonna take the vegetable and saute the vegetable. Now we're preparing our vegetable that goes with the piccata. Salt and pepper. Our dish is almost ready. Put the sauteed vegetable, the chicken breast, shot live in a restaurant, guys. Restaurant cooking. This is what you eat in the restaurant. Beautiful, beautiful. If you like our video, please like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to smash the like button because YouTube loves it like that. See you on the next video, okay? See you soon. Bye-bye.